Hello there, good morning, good evening, good afternoon.
Today we are going to replace an LCD for an HP 15EF2000 series, okay? Yeah, tools that we need to replace this LCD, we need a little plastic scribes and of course a low flat screwdriver. Let's get it going, all right? To get this LCD in, we're gonna take out a bezel, and in order for us to take out the bezel, there's a little plastic cover we're gonna take out first. Okay, give me 1 second so I could get to it. Okay, what you do, you close the system and then you turn it around. I'm doing everything by myself, so I don't have nobody helping me to hold the camera for me, so bear with me. And then we're gonna go ahead remove this little plastic things right here. Okay, yeah, give me a second. Okay, yeah, with the plastic stripe, we're gonna go ahead and pop this right here. Okay, we're gonna pop it right here, pop this over here, and then get this thing out. Okay, very easy. All right, give me 1 second. All right, like I said, I'm holding the camera by myself, so it's a little tough to do everything. Okay, this is the little piece. Okay, we're gonna pop it out. All right, you see, here we go. You see, it's all out now. So unfortunately, it's a little tough. All right, still can't do it. Okay, we're gonna pop this out right here. Okay. Yeah, this thing is already out. Okay, just pull it out and then that's it. You see? You see? This is the low plastic right here. Now we're gonna take out the bezel. Okay, we're gonna open the computer back up and take out the bezel. Okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out the bezel from here and all the way up to there. Okay? There's no screw holding it. You just gotta pop it out with the plastic stripe. Okay, all right. Just 1 second. All right. See right here, taking the scribe. Like I said, once you started doing it, you could remove the rest with your finger, basically. All right. All right. Like I said, it's a little tough to hold this camera and then do this thing at the same time. All right, give me a second. You keep on going like this, you move it, you know, until we get the bezel out. Okay, is it? The bezel is out. So right here. So let's see what else we got. All right. So to remove this LCD,
pull this double-sided glue tape.
That's what holding down the LCD to the back cover. Okay, pull it all the way, and I believe it's two of them. There is one here, and then there's another one hidden there somewhere here. Okay, you see it? That's how we're gonna be able to remove this LCD. So let me go try it. Give me 1 second. All right, here we go. See, we have. But this is how you do it. I'm gonna keep going it. Keep pulling out, and I have to do the other one. See, I cut the other one already because it was too tiny. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try to finish pulling out. Okay, give me 1 second. Just want to show you guys that I get it out. You see, all the way out. Now I believe once you get, now in order for you to do that, okay, you have to 100% know that this LCD is damaged.
In this case, yes.
I know 100% that the LCD is bad. So we're gonna finish yanking the LCD out, you see? Okay, because the other one, it cuts. I can't really get my hand or anything to it. So I'm gonna have to pull the LCD out. All right, 1 second here. Okay, you see? That's the other one, okay? Finish it, because I have to force the LCD out. This LCD is already damaged anyway, so I can go ahead and force it out in order for me to go ahead and finish and get this LCD out, okay? All right. All right, here we go. I got the whole thing out. The LCD is out, you see it? So all I have to do now, unplug the data cable from the LCD, which is located right here. So we're gonna unplug this cable and then get the LCD out. Okay, just so you know, in order for you to get this this data cable out, you have to go ahead and
peel this glue tape off.
you have to do with a flat screwdriver, of course. You see it? Once you start it, and then the rest should be easy. All right, here we go. You see, let me see if I could zoom it. Okay, now there's a low, you see this little thing latch? We have to pop this up and then pull the data cable out. Okay, you see it? Right here. The data cable is out, and then now the complete LCD should be out. You see it? Piece of cake. Well, it's not a piece of cake. It takes a little bit of time. All right. Okay. This is the new LCD. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it. You know, that's the new LCD and everything. All right. So let's get it going. All right. Let me put this aside. All right. All right. I've already installed some 3M double-sided tape. Okay, to hold the LCD down, because they had it from the old LCD, so I have to do the same for the new one as well. Okay, all right. So here, before I install the screen, I'm gonna test this LCD first. Okay, that's the proper way to go by. Okay, I'm gonna test it, make sure we got video. Okay, if we have video, then we install it. All right. Okay. I hit the click. So we're gonna get the little plastic strap, make sure the contact is locked in and everything. Okay, and I'm not even gonna finish the whole thing, but I'm just gonna make sure we turn it on and we have video. If we have video, then we're good to go. We're supposed to have video because it's a brand new screen, right? Let's see. Oops, there you go. The HP logo comes up. So far so good. Yeah, you see? You see? Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and finish with the install. Alright, here we go. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish with the whole thing. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and double check, make sure everything locked in and everything. And we're gonna go ahead and put this thing right there to make the contact. Oops, yeah. So everything is clean and good to go. Remove remove that thing before we add the LCD to it. Okay, you see it? Yeah, we're gonna peel it out. Do the same thing over here. Okay. All right, here we go. Now it's gonna be one-time thing. Okay, we have to put it in the first time, right? Because if we don't, we messed up. Okay, gotta put it in the first time. So what we do, we go from the bottom, don't squeeze too much, and we're gonna let it go. From the bottom and then let it go, okay? Boom. And we go like this, you see? And make sure everything's flat as it can be, okay? And let me turn this thing around, okay? So, like I said, it's not gonna be perfect like it was from the manufacturing, but it's gonna stick. It's gonna stay. Okay, it's not gonna fall apart. Cause I do that all the time. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and now, before we do that, we're gonna have to fix the cable. All right. I don't want to squeeze too much, like I said. Okay. Now, like I said, finish iron the cable. Make sure the cable is organized and neat like this. And again, we're gonna start from the bottom. Alright. I'm gonna put that. Just so you guys know, I'm in a different office now. So guess what? The background is different than when I was removing this LCD. The background is a different color. So don't matter, but just want to show you guys that I didn't want just to remove it and not showing the installation. The installation is easy. The removal is what's hard, okay? But the installation is piece of cake. Okay, so you see, make sure we close all the gaps and everything. One more, yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and close this baby. Okay. And we're gonna put the cover, the hinge cover. Okay, now the hinge cover, which is this right here, this little strip. Okay, if you wanna call it a hinge cover, it's gonna go like this, okay? There you go. Snap in right in. That's it. Yeah. You know, the cover is there. You're gonna open it up so you can check it as well. Okay. You see it? Covers the whole thing here. So no wire showing up or nothing, okay? Alright, this is it. This is it right here. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Let's see. Let's see if it has any opening somewhere here. Everything's good. Okay. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and turn it back on and see what we got. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Beautiful. Okay. Alright. Good deal. So, alright. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Good day and enjoy. So always subscribe and like. Bye bye.